Warning. Do not use flammable materials, products with alcohol or perfume, or products that emits nasty odor. Do not leave your fire unattended, and always do your research before mixing products. Hi. Welcome to Daescape Projects. I'm Joanna, and Day assigned me to narrate her videos. Today, we will try to make our own wax beads, but before that, here's Day's new silicone molds. 3 rose molds, 11 flower molds, butterfly molds, gemstone molds, flower chocolate molds. The flowers are too big for wax beads, so let's just keep this mold in the kitchen. Materials: soy wax, candle glue, dye, oil burner, silicone molds, torch lighter, candle. In this process, Day will use crushed candles as an alternative to soy wax, and will try materials that are available in her room, as an alternative to buying expensive candle dyes. First, pigment, crushed candle, candle glue, activated charcoal, stir till it achieves a glue-like or sticky texture. Add more candle glue, if needed. All product links are in the description box, or pinned at the comment section. Test if you can make a perfect wax seal. Day could not find the exact ratio of crushed candle and candle glue in the internet. So this is a trial and error process. The emboss must be perfect or nearly perfect. Too much wax could ruin the emboss. Pour the mixture into the molder. There are so many shapes that available online, just pick the shape that suits your style. Second, pigment, crushed candle, candle glue, bentonite clay. Add more candle glue, if needed. Stir till it achieves a glue-like or sticky texture. Test if you can make a perfect wax seal. Pour the mixture into the molder. Third, pigment, crushed candle, candle glue, baby powder, stir till it achieves a glue-like or sticky texture. Add more candle glue, if needed. Test if you can make a perfect wax seal. Pour the mixture into the mold of your choice. Fourth pigment, candle glue. Crushed candle. Face foundation. Stir till it achieves a glue-like or sticky texture. Test if you can make a perfect wax seal. Pour the mixture into the mold of your choice. Activated charcoal. Bentonite clay. Baby powder. Face foundation. Some beads fit on both spoons, while others only fit on the larger one. Which color did you like the most? Comment the answer with the hashtag #StampingDay. Thank you so much for watching and happy crafting. On behalf of Day, this is your AI voiceover Joanna, now, signing off.